say Nana Amponsa. Mra, who's the bishop black, the bishop blue. I mean the same jersey there.
Jerseys by.
Minim say be a Fitcom.
Fitcom.
Who's the Nana Amponsa? Mra ope FA presidency. Or craft Fitcom be by.
Yeah. For 41 clubs.
Or Chama clubs.
Yeah, 41 clubs.
Yes. Or the Mao or Chama clubs. I'm sure one of the ideas to get kids sponsorship and all those things, you know. And yenny, but this is a Santiago de Quendra. Ewo Adoko Jachi. Omu training, you know.
So strike has been striked. Have been striked out. Strike is no more strike. Strike cannot strike.
They say the strike has been striked out. And seriously, I will hope. I know the name Ponsa understand those things. Say Ugo pay case sponsorship. Then they'll ask you to buy the replicas now Babeton.
Yeah.
And I know for somebody like him, he will buy it.
Absolutely.
Whoever decided they won't buy Oma Chipsa didn't think I could talk because apparently Uche Chipsa strike has been struck out. Uche Chipsa and some aya oka. Or so no they know facilitated deal keke. But they may do some benya replicas. And I'm gonna go catch her and say Omunisikano. Now a member, even the former general manager of Asante Kotoko. Nana Kwesi Jembibi Koka. Koka, me chawa no pemi jire sampo mi amia. Nyamia do menso me ye pa. Well, Koka, ye den come for strike ho. Asante Kotoko kit we the former kit sponsors. Minim there as a general manager, minim say no nim deal no kakra. They ya tetene say na omoto desi bia. Now Asante Kotoko entitled to 1 Ghana cedi. 1. Ayano kure. What was in the deal in itself?
Well, I can make that say, Akoya would have the child no apart from
Pure FM.
And so, Miaokano, you are not far from the truth. But then I said, within the contract, now, after Club African Consort upon 200 replicas. I think the Nakotoko and Sugan 200,000 dollars. The donor say which Gemina who paper more. Obeka say literally, you know. Say Oton Yaton 1 this year and an Nakotoko Bina and a 1 replica this year and an Nakotoko Bina and a 1 Ghana city.
Goga, wait a minute, Wadaru, Mama, Mindy Jimmy. Sana Club Africa Consort told 200 jerseys. Konogobenya 200 Ghana cedi.
200,000 jerseys.
I'm told 200,000 jerseys. Konogobenya 20,000.
200,000 cities.
Now Konogobenya 200,000 cities.
Yes, and tell them that also while you do your own mathematics, you say not just a ton 1 this year and a
Pure FM.
But what was stated in the contract, you know, and I'm actually saying
who signed that contract? Meaning, I don't say the Kotoko management, but what went into that decision? Say, Mobati Bibisa signs our contract with.
This kind of I don't think so. Can ever be good? About the tree. You put such a contract. Now say no one is no one is. You know, they say Club African Consort. Now at the end of the day, no, and say share no, about to be this one, and announce that Bakubasi. But I don't have the earlier presentation of the Kotoko in respect of the proposals, you know, compared to other companies and so on, I'm struggling proposals. Coupled with the main figure who was leading the Club African Consort was also someone who had played commercial Santi Kotoko. The friend is Oil Club, the legend. I think that also gave him the edge, or Club African Consort the edge over other side. He had taken over. But over how was presenting the case and the more proposals they added to the management who were there at that time. I think they needed a couple about to be there, but and they share the woman. You may didn't be a payer, and they're about to get the entry.
Koga, and she said, saying, Nancy Saban, a money strike, wa, and Cosa de Ne was a con.
Well, with the strike consult, one among Ketik Masters and Take Kotoko, and in Ketik Masters and Take Kotoko, they were going to provide Kotoko a certain number of training. Having done so, they were also to provide Kotoko cases are edible matches, camp wears, camp wears, Maca training, Maca the edible match, and a technical, a management, so the Amadeva Mawan, the other. I'm telling you that there. Assassin, the for so pepper. But subsequently, no, another. The dealing is also a Yama club, no, and I had in our fields, no, any who found, and say, you don't want to say, the stock was also Aristotle, as said, told, said, in Kuntabu, also Elcoso. And me, when I returned, I raised the issue of transparency and accountability. Yanam just said, no, Abuama Kotoko, Yen, so we see this in the Ekrem. Baby Drew, you know. Yeah, me better say me young man here did you know. Now, Oma initiative. The cat ye say. Like Safudu Quattrolet, the Akoma Club African Consult. Or Chen say no one being in the team that ever said it track contact. So the moon on the buy and the Safudu and so like Safudu resign the power so and also continued from there. Yeah, and it takes a series of meetings that was geared towards the cancellation of the contract. They did and then she also to encourage all the administrative activities of the club. They were changing the leadership of the club and all that. In the area now, they're bringing the board nearby. Young Fabi come about to continue from there. And that I would say was the main reason why I halted the nation processor yesterday with the Club African Consult. And he say near the American about the meeting about the Indian Shishano, the Club African Consult.
Pure FM.
I want to hear me Shishano, send me a bit. Okay, this is our name, and so if I cannot. The stock is even once or two, even once a two. We raised all these issues with him. The two board him, they are the team in home. The award turn or mature city and done or the X number of justices that they say in the buy a protocol to be any to be back. You will yeah, then I can't put you said new
so Koga, whatever, Metiasia, just said Mukrano. We
started the process. Yeah, Nanka, yeah, Baby Chum.
Now, apart from some terminal, let's come to the quality. Over that, just in no difficult status because I don't know Kaka, just no quality wise.
Let's maybe position makes it a bit difficult to say either yes or no, but we will leave it to a yes a bit. Supporters that's almost so I think on the judgment that's so right, but maybe I don't want to say yes or no to this question.
Well, Goga, Medasi, now when you will be excited. Say something you see now. Who say and you're right, no? This management is putting it right.
Oh yes, so the commercial and take Kotoko. They make say only many issue of Kotoko and then BBC when you saw and then more to be only many issue because we know they be and you team more think come and then I'm be and I wasn't the two man or I didn't correction of money ye they bought him the near the American. You ever do ye I mean who say strike and then let's strike him cook. Other companies here no more contract in the area and then quit. They took more and the management by our to us. It's almost a bear almost to us. You almost said, you almost obey a children without a papa. Let him name of interest, the piano, are any supreme about anybody's interested. sɛ no kɔba saa deɛ na team no bɛtumi ayɛ yie ame nyina ɛbo adwene ne ani agye sɛ obi team papa bi a sɛbi yɛdi akyire na ɛba kɔba sɛ yɛfa wɔ adwuma wɔ team no mmra bɛyɛ adwuma with all the friend say mmoa a wobɛnya having work for the club no na sɛ wosan so ba sɛ sɛbi womma wonoma na odwumadie no ɛnwie pɛyɔ ɛma team no deɛ akam na ɛsɛ ɛso ne mfasoɔ sɛ woyɛ ano wotena hɔ na wo ne team no di dwuma kɔfa yɛnkofa biara na sɛ nyɛ mfasoɔ ne nkɔsoɔ ma club no ntɛmpa no wode gya akyi na biribiara ɛtumi kɔ na amen na yɛyie ɛma club no that should always be the most important thing.
Coker, to be blunt, Obika said the old management failed Asante Kotoko. Who's it back right?
Kankam, I wouldn't say so. Whoever will say so, no, quite right. And they send a medical canon. Your new management today, you are correcting mistakes. Old management, not everything that the old management did. And they are from so. And some of these mistakes, you don't deliberately. Do them. You don't deliberately make such mistakes. Why am I saying so? When you share and say, "What's a team let me be? A team let me kids. It's me this year. Team no, so kids no so intimate for so for my team no. And for that matter, when you don't work about company be a obey me about. So you see the intent, purpose no, papa. It be any panel banner, two separate entities no more comable. We are holding. The Nepal to me and Yasa or they now farm but one more day now. Who more? I don't know how we have problem. I see in your bay now, Yahese, and they, Jeffrey, Club African Consorts, but definitely we also want to have a partnership with another kids company. Almost so much not disappointed here. What am I trying to say? So almost now they are able to deliver in total. Not a BB I hear from Obiani and Sabetinia Canada twice the timer contract and a partnership never end year and then a idea. Madame Oba now Copasa. Which was such a millennium sushi and said a decon a Babaku yes, Madame Cobasa into waiting chair of the dance no back and say you are filled a friend say. A team Nana Sibisa. Although we should always look at the intent first. You never said Nippon, they're not person, they are the papa name, maybe and uncle. You would always have, with the BR, you would have a different opinion in respect of what you say. But we have a tell on the Antoine, more BR, Gradia, or man making any effort beyond there, or man making any attempt to be there. Then what would we like to say? It could.
Coker, given an opportunity, and I said the opportunity, say, to this current management for with respect to Kate Yinsen Semi and Eddie Kakra Wohu, Kadia Samna Bakacho.
Kakam, the American say, Kotoko, 37. Who are one here, who is different. So, who are one here, especially. More and Joffrey, more Cassie, who are completely different. When you come into the Kotoko proper, in this case, when you saw Jumala Kotoko, you would also begin to see things differently. It means that they make out Marcia. The reason I'm saying so, they say, Kim Lung Kumwa, who said your team this year. Sabi, your mistakes are here over the years, and they say, your share, your matches, your idea, supporters, no, the stars, your ma, asa, no team, the song, team, no, BBR, team, the Ekase, but who more, and I was saying, there is a case, a quick example. Here is the case, team near Africa. About one match, a bit many, almost 700,000 cities. The baby, I bet it to be and it's kind of drop here to probably be 4 something, and I say 300 to almost 400,000. Also, so I can come say, it's a bit less. time biano when you are based also to be now who improve the economic situation of the club. In your attempt to do so, the other factors are either they will be helpful or not. By and large, you can't now we need the larger economy of Ghana from this. Now we share football now, Kasan situation in the country and how it is. They all have, effects on the club, and especially when you want to work and improve the finances of the club. Probably Ramona feel who said, "Oh, I don't know what they can hear, Jumano." And no, a castle will die, Nipe, and there a caffo no die. We saw a Juma, a fish, anything, or also Honoma, almost very cutting the cotty, almost chair. Copopia no me a Juma club with him. Almost so no, yeah, one or the other. Yeah, you almost check him on the other day. When a process be attended, they are putting pressure on the person of the club. At the moment, I will never be able to say, kill. With all the things you saw from outside now, folks, a bit mine, a bit mine said. Now there are other conditions within Okokotoya. It is now having an effect on the very well view you had for the team. So let me tell you.
Okay.
It will never be able to say, I'm say, I would say, and him to boss here, and I'll be now. Now, what to book, I could contact him. Now, I say, what can I say? Just help quiet. We'll pass out the TV to an amount. For now, I'll say, yes. I come out there, they are manual management, but I know they are being confronted by some of these things. Okay, for now, almost 200 or some I know for sure it's been a struggle, but you still have to work to improve it because and they were barbecue. They are swell, you know, they swell, they go there, they swell, they're down. No matter what, they would have to work to improve it with the support of everybody. What they need at the moment is everyone's support. So BPR also all the stakeholders in and around the general committee of Masters and Tokotoko, both internal and external environment. They are supported there. Then whatever the challenges are, they can overcome. So they would have to partner and collaborate well with the community of Kumasi and Tokotoko before they can get the situation improved. That's very important.
Nana Kwesi Jamie Bikoka, that's CP Yanopay. I tell for Yani Nana Kwesi Jamie Bikoka, former general manager for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In fact, the past management, Omo Enana Eshenyoma, Ono Ena Edin Chichimufa strike deal, no, Ediaban. I know it is confirmed, Obi, one city. Almost 200,000 jerseys. Kotoko stands to gain 200,000 Ghana cedi. And I said there was no track. I just say so sad.
Yeah.
And I say old management, no, they were in the process. Said on some more abrogate contract. But meant me and I didn't know.
In the pipeline.
So now more come Guzaga. Was almost letters a strike for some more. Okay. And also, but I've seen this message I would like to read. Yes. Kwadjo Sahene and message you share your opinion. I mean, then now I united. Also, receiving one cedi from sales of replica jersey is disgusting. In as much as we want to blame the old management for signing this contract, a club legend shouldn't treat the club this way, all in the name of business. Very beautiful one. And also, he's made a very good point. I mean, you are looking at from different angles.
Absolutely, will be
for a club legend. Why do you say, "Oh, shall I do it?" Okay, me go farmer. Yenche sky, but that's where be a 10 cedi. Yenche 5. And maybe a bill of lading in this say with 200,000 copies now. See, we got ton, more money and ton.
Yeah.
Maybe the number of sales, the justice club across complimentary jerseys, and I say. You might be church giveaways, no. Yeah. When you now more agree on it. Yeah. And it's an inquest as what Jason. Yeah. Oh, Tono.
In essence, Yusuf Al-Hassa chips are milled Kotoko. Zaro Bezoche.
Probably took advantage of
Milk too strong. Just like
taking advantage. That means now going to go weaker position.
Yes, took advantage of the weakness of Asante Kotoko because now going to go to this skill the betia and the actor reflex snap it on.
Okay.
And I'm going to go consult this yes. So always can any won't top it on. Oh, well, I don't know how to do that. Okay, I tell you, I have you on 95.7 FM. And yes, I say, look, I look at Nanti, we are not foreign Abbey. And so, at my but chips are also, and Ryan and Kasai, Ebusan and Simwi, ne contractor, ye criminal, and so a whole sense.
Yeah, the differential into the way forward.
The way for minimum contract in sense, I'm not saying it yet. The baby, and your termination clause is blue, ma. It's in my one party decided to get out of it.
Oh, yes, contract, no. I said baby, October 2021, next year. Yeah, obviously, as any other contract, no, termination clause will, either party can terminate when you're happier. But then it comes with an obligation and responsibility. Sanitary.
See, nature says going to call unilaterally and decided that over terminating nature that or no maybe also a year to ensure that termination will take effect.
Currently, the share 3 times discussing about kids, you know, on the first one. Initial meeting, you know, she look at already our second contract into the finish the term. Later on. Okay, sir, when you 2 bigger brands there.
Pure FM.
And I'm not sure any issue about that. I don't think that Midal so will have issue about that. The fact that in the best interest of protocol. But then the only condition is that we didn't even like to go into the termination clause and compensation whatever. But the only condition is that you are stock. Until stock now or no, then we should just buy it. The cafe your stock into like the only condition is your stock now or no. Or moment take your stock and then top because someone has a new brand where stock maybe at a day list. So this was the option two women and almost almost as Kotokoje they can't do it now because they don't have much resources. But she also suggested or corporate bodies there or no more everything common or more actor at their promotion over remote areas. We welcome it, you say a good idea, but then that has to be done before the pronouncement of the new grant. And as you know, for many much time, when I can't tell them, then
Pure FM.
I am and I see the proposal man and all new grant never we have a contract which is existing. So they should buy a part of our contract. And I see they won't do it. So obviously we couldn't reach an agreement on that. And this meeting every year. So after that, we initiated them on this issue.
Anna, so say termination abaninti. So what are you going to do? Club consult name or strike? Then I'm obey.
We should directors will share and then whatever decision they will arrive at, we will see.
Okay. Enti club consult chipsa na dia no ma say obi o kan say chipsa milks kodokoro obi asend message say Nana Kwame I'm going to say taking advantage. I say what's the difference between taking advantage and milking? Milking is true. Milking the tone of the message. I say will be a cancer. On say as an cancer I say I was get a benim. So I guess a benima a mild a feeling in your case. So I guess was can Jimmy Sabe. So you can say Nansen Nima. A honor you take offense. But I say a benima a honor on the